Cash is buying gold the option? Jason's standing by with that answer. Jason.
Okay, it's always tough to decide what to invest in and when to start. Here to tell us why you should consider investing in the precious metal gold is Brent Wilsey of Wilsey Asset Management. Brent, good morning. Always great to see you.
Well, good morning. Good to be here.
Okay, gold. We see the commercials all the time on TV.
Yes.
Buy gold from this company or that company, and it comes in different forms. What about gold as an investment, though, right now?
I got to say, those commercials are so good. They make it look like, wow, I've got to go out and buy gold right now. And I tell people, gold, it looks very good. You know, you see it's very shiny. It's great for your wife, your girlfriend, or whatever it may be. But is it a great investment? That could be the problem. First of all, we got to look at how you buy gold, because there's different ways. We'll make sure you buy the right way. Now, first off, you can go out and buy the actual metal itself, which is very hard to do because a couple of things: you got to pay a commission to buy and sell it, and also to store it. Where you kind of put it? You can't just put it on the dining room table. You got to put it somewhere else if you have a high quantity of it. The next thing you do is gold coins. Now, people like to buy gold coins because you actually have something. They look pretty good, but then you get into the same thing: the commission to buy and sell, and also too, you have to know what you're doing because there could be a rarity on that coin, could make it worth more or less. So you want to be careful of that. I think the best way for people to buy gold, if they want to do it, the easiest way is through what's called an ETF. We talked about these exchange-traded funds. They actually buy gold, hold it in a warehouse, and your shares represent that. There's a very low commission to buy and sell that, many times only like $4 or $5. That's probably the easiest way. However, there could be concerns that if things drop dramatically, will that gold really represent those shares? So, been concerns on that.
Well, we've got volatility in the stock market now. Interest rates are on the up. How does that affect the price of gold?
Well, gold has been actually staying pretty stable. It's been around 1,300 for the last, gosh, I'm going to guess here, 6, 12 months, not doing a whole lot. And it should be started rising because gold is bought when you have fear of inflation. There is a chart that actually shows us. And again, if we look at gold, it looks like the chart looks pretty good here. But I do want to point out from the peak back around 2011 is on 1850. From now till today, we're still down 28%. So you got to be careful buying gold. It may not be the best time to buy gold. We're not really gold favorites, I'll say, because the problem with gold is it's a piece of metal. It doesn't pay dividends. There's no earnings from it. So you never really know what it's worth. And how we say it's worth is like it's worth what the next person will pay for it. So not always a great investment. We don't hold gold in our portfolio because I can't tell you what it's really worth.
Because I see the commercials on the TV and they say these coins and they ship them within like 24 hours, and I'm sure to get my gold, and and I think the catchphrase on one of these commercials, "What's in your safe?"
Right.
But like you said, if you physically buy those, there's responsibility. Your whole safe could get stolen. Yeah. Or somebody could figure out how to break in there and steal all your gold, and you're out of luck. So these ETFs are really the way to go.
If you're going to buy gold, if you're going to buy gold as a hedge against inflation, which again, it's always also been proven maybe not the best hedge, but if you're going to do that, I think the ETF is the best way to go. But I want to be careful of people because if gold were to drop off dramatically, it may not represent the gold as good. But gosh, when you buy gold, the actual coins and so forth, you can have a 25% commission to sell that gold at certain places. So very dangerous when you buy that too pricey.
All right, Brent Wilsey, Wilsey Asset Management. SmartInvesting2000.com.
Yes, and that's the website.
And if you forget that, go to KUSI.com. We got a link right there.
There you go.
Thanks, Brent. A lot of people